Okay, I got it. Pretty quick. Let's go.
Let's take a ride on the Monopoly Express.
Let's go red trains and upgrades. Red trains and upgrade for Christmas. That's what's up. That's what's up. December 25th, guys, at the MGM Grand Casino on the Monopoly train. Let's go. Upgrade.
That's an upgrade ticket.
I asked for it and I got it. What is up? Let's go, baby. Come on now. Nice. Upgrade again, please. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Every single time I've said upgrade, it's came. All right, let's go now. Wow.
Another upgrade.
What?
Get that train upgraded. Let's get these trains rolling.
Okay.
Hold on.
Something huge for Christmas. Come on. That is nice. That is nice. And the big one. Here it goes. Red train for Christmas. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Something big. Woodwards. Let's go. Yahoo! Yeah. Merry Christmas, guys. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yes. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Merry Christmas, guys. Thumbs up on that one too. Very nice. Gonna watch the coin show on this one. Heck yeah. Let's go. Merry Christmas, guys.